Good morning, guys. We're going to get straight into this. An exciting video for you today. I am going to be exiting my positions. I'm going to do that with you live on this video here. We don't have time. Let's just dive right into this. Okay, we got to go over to the metrics. We'll take a look at this real quick. Trend exhaustion is pushing us into the top red section. Historically, when we've seen this, we've seen drops in the market here. We saw a drop, overextended drop in the market here. We also saw a drop getting close to this overextension here for this red zone. When we get up there, I am expecting drops. We also saw it correlated to a drop over here. So the trend exhaustion to me is telling us we could see a drop back down. Price versus well money flow is also telling me we are getting at peak prices here, and I'm looking for wells to take some positions out of the market. So I'm going to be exiting a trade here, but first let's go over the metrics and I'll prove to you guys why I'm doing this. If you look at the emotional index, you can see that we're pushing up into the excited and maybe greedy section. This metric will update here. Listen carefully, guys. This metric will update here in 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's 5:41 right now, recording this. Last time we got up here, we saw a drop. We saw the blue line get up here to the excited. We saw a drop. This is one drop, two drop. We can call this three drops up here. Even this small one right here, four, I'll call that. Five, a little bit over an extension, but we did see a little bit of a drop here. So we saw this correlate to one drop, two drop, three drop, four drop. Look at this right here. Fifth drop right here, six drop. Okay, the last 6 times we've seen this, we've seen some move down in Ethereum, okay? I am expecting to see this get up into the excited in the greedy section today, possibly push greedy, and I'm looking to exit. Now, here's my thing, guys. Mark these words. Yes, Ethereum could keep flying up here and going to the moon, whatever that is, or whatever price that is, but I'm going to follow the metrics, and I'm going to be trading this way for the next 10, 20 plus years. I'm going to stay true to the metrics that have been true 80 to maybe close to 90% of the time. That's what I'm going to follow. I'm going to exit here, and once we dip back down, I'm going to grab it and keep riding it back up. But I want to take profit just in case we start heading back down. So I'm not just going to say this. I'm going to show you that I'm true to my word on this channel, okay? And you'll see what happens. We are seeing long trades increase on Ethereum, but we're also seeing a little bit of a spike up for short trades increasing. Watch what happens at 8 o'clock, guys. If this thing jumps up here for short trades, that's going to be a sign we could start moving back down. Longer for short trade risk, we are pushing up into the good short trade section. Last time we got here, we saw a drop in the market. We saw an overextension and a very nice drop in the market, and we can see drops in the market happen over here as well. Let's take a look at the well and the institutional smart money today, though. We see this. This is an incredible amount of short power coming into the market right now, and last time we saw this, yes, we saw a little bit of a move up and then a big crash back down. We saw this happen over here. We saw a spike and then a crash back down, a spike and a crash back down, okay? Even looking over here, we saw some spikes and a move back down. Over here, we saw an extension where the price just kept going super high, looking for shorts all the way through, and then anybody who took a short through here, like the whole time, guys, while whales were accumulating these short positions in here, they made all of their money all the way back down here. They didn't care that it went all the way up a little bit. They knew, and they were shorting the market, and that came all the way back down for them. Support and resistance prices, we are all the way up here at 2,411, which puts us right up here at around the top of 2,411, okay? Structure high, that's another reason why I'm looking to sell today and get into a better position. Everybody who followed the dollar cost average entries over the last 2, 3, 4 weeks, you guys ended up getting great positions. You are all in the profit today. Congratulations for being subscribed to TradeConfident.io. Check this out, though. Exit point for Ethereum has launched. Last one drop, two drop, three drop, four drop. I could call this last 4 times we've gotten this, we have seen a drop in the market. I'm going to follow the metrics. I'm going to take money out right now. I'm going to take my entire Ethereum position out and show that to you guys right now. Let's go over here. I'm going to refresh this so you can see exactly how much I have over there. And I'm going to place an order on the phone actually right now. This is a little bit faster for me. I've got it to the right on my computer. I'm going to exit a max amount. I'm going to place a market order, and I'm going to sell this right now. And you guys will see this update here under the orders. So guys can see filled right here. I'm going to refresh. This should show the Ethereum order. If it didn't, I'll do it one more time on my phone. But we should see some type of a sell come out here for Ethereum. There you go. So Ethereum has been sold in the market. I am also going to do this. I know I should probably cover this on another video, but I also have positions right now that are open in ADA. Give this a second. I'm sorry, they're not open. They've already been filled. Sorry, my apologies. If we go over here, I do have money in Cardano right now, so I'm actually going to be looking to take an exit on Cardano today as well. So I'm going to be showing that to you guys right here. I'm going to be selling at a market order. Give me a second, guys. Right now, so that's going to be another market order for a sell, and that should be showing up here in 1 second, and you guys will see this. So Ethereum is already sold. And then let's see what ADA looks like here. Sorry, I know it's a little bit more choppy today, but I'm trying to come in here and exit these positions because I'm going to follow the metrics, guys. I could be wrong, and you guys will see that, but I'm going to stick to what they've been calling 80 to 90% of the time. And if it keeps heading up, that's totally fine. I'll get back in on the move as we head a little higher. Dogecoin is, I'm going to just look at this real quick because I want to see if I want to exit Doge. I've been telling you guys, like, Doge is not doing too much. Literally, while we were screaming up, we saw sideways movement, but we did see a nice pump in Dogecoin as well. I do think we're getting to a place right now where I'd like to take a little bit of profit in here. So I am actually going to exit my Dogecoin position as well. And I'm going to look for a higher low, and we'll come out of this market today and we'll profit about $550 in the last a couple days here. So let me go over to Dogecoin real quick. Give me 1 second for that, and I'll update this page for you guys so you can see it. I'm going to go to sell. I'm going to exit all of this for a market order exit, and I'm going to sell this right now, and we're going to place that. Let's refresh this in the market here, and we should see Doge has actually come out of the portfolio, and we should be sitting about $500 profit on this entire, and this should stop moving right here because there isn't any more money in here. So that looks pretty good. Let me go back over to Coinbase. We'll go to the home page, and I currently own 0 Ethereum, 0 Cardano, and I own 0 Dogecoin. So we are completely liquidated. We took a profit here of $546. That's not bad. I'm going to be looking to take this out. I'm going to go have fun with my wife. I'm going to pay some of my mortgage off with this money. We're going to put it towards another trip. So I just want to show you guys live what I'm doing on this video. I do expect to see a little bit of a drop in Ethereum. So what I'm going to do for you guys to keep everything transparent on this video is I'm going to put a horizontal line up here of exactly where I took this profit, because to me, the metrics are saying we are due for a drop in here. Now again, I'm going to keep that on the charts so you guys can see it. We can keep this channel transparent, but I am expecting to see this, guys. The trend exhaustion, we're pushed up here. We are due for a move down. We see that we have divergence. The trend exhaustion is moving down, creating lower highs and lower lows, and the price is moving back up. We're at resistance. Now, I know some people might come here and be like, Travis, the price kept going up and it kept going up. That's totally fine with me, guys. I really want to drive this home, and I wanted to be like, not the YouTubers are like, man, I might sell. Like, I showed you guys my portfolio. I sold out because I want to stay true to the metrics. There may be 1 or 2 times you guys get in here and the price just keeps going. Like, Ethereum might keep blasting to $3,000 today, but I'm going to stay true to this because it is. I'd rather follow something that is 80% true, that is true 80% of the time, versus something where, we see, people getting excited in here and it just keeps flying up maybe 10 to 15% of the time. I'm going to stick with the 85% for the next 10 years, and that's what's going to keep me profitable in this market, not hoping things go up based off emotions and just personal opinions. I like to use volume metrics and data. So there you guys go. Make sure you're subscribed over here. This is literally $49 a month. Obviously, you can see that it's well worth it. Obviously, I'm trading with $10,000 in here. I've clearly made back $49 on this trade. I've made basically the rest of the year of my membership and more. So that's really, really, really fun to be able to show you guys. I'm so glad I took profit. I'm glad because I get to pay some of my mortgage off now. I get to take my wife on some more dates, and we're able to just make some money here. And I am going to look for another entry here for Ethereum on the videos coming up. So make sure you guys follow this channel. But that was the exit point, and let's see what happens here. God bless you guys so much. Make sure you get these indicators on your chart. They're going to go up in price. What is it? It's August 1st. So literally like 5 days, the price of all these indicators are going to go up. So snag them. They're in the description. Make sure you have your membership at tradeconfident.io. And I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.